Here comes trouble, putting on a show. Like a domino, I fall. Another bottle, don't know what to say. Send me on my way to you.
So I'm taking some Plouise Base and I'm just priming my eyelids. Today we're using the Cosmic Beauty palette, and this is the Lovers palette, and we're taking this shade here and we are just going to map out the kind of shape that we want for this eye look today. Now I'm just going in with this light shade, which is called Devoted, and I'm going to put this in my inner corner, and we're going to do like a kind of light to dark transition here. This is neutral, and we're going to go into the middle half with this. This doesn't have to be neat, I'm just putting down the colours, then I'm just going back and I'm blending it all in. Now I'm just taking this dark matte green shade, and this one is called Trust, and I'm just blending that into the outer corner there, and I'm just blending it all together, making sure it's seamless. Just taking a little bit of this light blue shade, which is called Values, and we're just going over that kind of dark blue shade at the top. Then I do go back and just darken up the colours a little bit. Now I'm just taking this shimmer shade, which is called Communication, and the light shimmer shade as well, and we're just putting a mix of these two on the lid just to add a little bit of shimmer to the look. Now I'm just taking a little bit of mascara before I apply some lashes. Now these lashes are from a Plouise trio that I got in a budget box, so I don't know what the actual name of it is, but it's just a set of 3. Going back and forward, and I'm just darkening up these colours and going over any blending or anything that's kind of been missed. Then we're just neatening up that outer corner as well. Now moving on to the face, I'm just taking the XXL primer by Lashes, and we're just going all over our face with this. This is a gripping primer and it's absolutely fantastic. I feel that this makes your foundation look absolutely flawless. For foundation, I'm just going in with the Revolution Conceal and Define foundation in the shade F1. And I'm just blending that out with a brush and a beauty blender. Just taking some Fyne concealer, this one is in the shade 5. And we're just going to highlight with this. Then I'm going to take a little bit of this bronzer by Sheglam, and I think this one is in the shade Clay. This was the first time that I'd used it, but I actually really liked it. It was a really nice formula. I just feel like the shade was maybe a bit too ashy for me. Quite a good bronzer, so I'm definitely going to collect a few others of these because they're quite nice. I've got a blush as well and a highlight, so I'm definitely going to be trying them out. I maybe just picked the wrong shade this time. I'm just blending all that concealer in as well with a little blending brush from Real Techniques. Then I'm just going over that bronzer with some Hoola Benefit Bronzer powder. And I'm just taking some of the Maybelline Fit Me powder in translucent, and I'm just concealing all that contour and the concealer. I'm just going over it all just to set it all. I'm taking my little H&B powder puff for this as well. Just come back and forth with the bronzer as well to bring a little bit of life back into the face. Just taking this white eyeliner, then I'm going back in with that dark blue shade, and we are just putting some white liner in the waterline, and then I'm just smudging out that dark blue shade. on the lower lash line. Just brightening up that inner corner a little bit. And that is this look. Guys, I completely forgot to film the lip, but it's the usual combo. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for my next video, and please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz, and I'll see you in my next look. Bye!